What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to download and install third-party apps APK that are not on the Google Play Store on your Android TV. Now, first things first, over here I have a TCL Android TV, but it doesn't matter the type or brand of Android TV you have. Whether you have a Hisense Android TV, a TCL Android TV, a Sony Android TV, or even any Android TV stick or box, by the end of this video, you should be able to download and install any third-party app APK into your Android TV and use it comfortably. Now, first things first, you have to make sure that your Android TV is actually connected to the internet, and mine is currently connected to the internet. And then once that is done, the first thing you want to do is to head over to the apps tab at the top right corner of your Android TV. So just scroll over to this app tab and then come over to the Google Play Store. So head over to your Google Play Store app. Now once the Google Play Store loads, you want to scroll over to the search icon at the top over here. And then inside of this input field, you want to go ahead and search and download the app known as Downloader. It's a very popular app, and this is basically the app we are going to be using to sideload third-party apps APK that are not on the Google Play Store into our Android TV. Now over here, you can literally see the Downloader app. It is actually Downloader by AFTV News. So I'll go ahead and select it just like so. And as you can see over here, mine is already downloaded and installed. So I'll just go ahead and update it because it's already installed. Or I can just open it up directly from here. But basically, you should download and install this Downloader app into your Android TV. Now, once the Downloader app loads, this is basically how the home page looks like. Now, what you want to do at this point is to basically scroll over to this browser tab at the top of your Downloader app. So just scroll over to the left and then scroll to this browser tab over here. Now come over to this search input field at the top over here. And then you want to go ahead and search for that third-party app or APK you want to install into your Android TV, and then just add APK at the back. So take for instance, if we want to download and install the Facebook app, obviously it is not on the Google Play Store for TVs. So just go ahead and search for Facebook. First off, you want to clear up everything inside of this input field. Then go ahead and search for Facebook. And after that, you just want to go ahead and type APK. So just Facebook APK or any app you're looking for, then APK at the back. Now, once you're done, click on the search or enter button over here and then click on go. Now, this will automatically use the Google search results to give us some of the websites you can actually download and install that Facebook or that particular app APK you want to install on your Android TV into your TV. So basically what you want to do from this point is to just scroll down until you find any of the reliable websites you can actually get that third-party app or APK to install on your Android TV. In this case, since we are downloading and installing the Facebook app APK, I'll go ahead and select this official Facebook website over here. Just go ahead and select this. And once the website loads, basically you want to go ahead and click on the download button from that particular website where you can get your APK from. In my case, I'll just click on the download APK over here, then give the TV some few seconds to now download and install that third-party app APK into my Android TV. Now, at this point, if you're using the Downloader app for the first time, you might actually get the prompt to give Downloader permission to install apps from unknown sources into your Android TV. Basically, you want to go ahead and give it that permission by clicking on settings and then toggle on that particular permission for the Downloader app on your Android TV. Once that is done, you can go ahead and try installing it again and you'll be taken to this page. Now, basically what you want to do at this point is to just scroll down and then click on the install button at the bottom over here. And automatically your third-party app APK will be downloaded and installed into your Android TV. Another important thing you want to do is to just go ahead and click on the done button and then make sure you delete the app APK file from your Android TV so that it does not just stay there and consume a lot of space for you. So make sure you delete it. And at this point, you can now come back to the home of your Android TV, and then you can go ahead and look for that particular app APK you've installed into the TV. For some APKs, you may not find them from the list of apps on your Android TV. So you may not find things like the Facebook app over here. But a simple way you can actually access all of your third-party app APKs is to just scroll over to the settings of your Android TV at the top over here. Click on the settings button, then come over to apps, that is your app list. And then scroll down and click on see all apps. And from here, you should be able to see all of your apps, including all of the third-party apps you've sideloaded or installed into your Android TV. If you still do not see it over here, go ahead and click on show system app and continue to scroll down until you find that particular app or APK that you just downloaded and installed into your Android TV. In my case, you can literally see the Facebook app over here. So I can go ahead and open it up directly from here by just selecting it, then click on open. And just like so, we now have the Facebook app running smoothly on our Android TV without any issue. Even though it is a third-party app, we just sideloaded and installed it into the TV without any issue. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.